In this video, I will show you how to connect PlayStation account to Epic Games. So to get started, go ahead and open your Epic Games account. Now, once you have signed in into your account, go ahead and click on the top right of your screen and then click on account under that drop down. Now, this will take you here. So on the left side of your screen, go ahead and click on link accounts and then click on link under PlayStation Network to link your PlayStation account with your Epic Games account. So you'll need to sign in to your PlayStation account into this section, and then once you have signed in, you'll need to authorize the connection between the two, and then once you authorize the connection, the two of your accounts would be linked on your Epic Games account. And that's basically how you can link PlayStation account to Epic Games.